What was the funniest thing that you heard someone say in public? 1. When I worked in a library, overheard 2 kids in the children's area. Brendan. 1. Your name's Brendan? My name's Brendan. 2. Are we brothers, Brendan? 2. No, I'm in the 1st grade. 2. I was riding my bike and passed by a guy going the opposite way on a unicycle. As we passed, he said, effing two-wheeler. 3. Grocery store. I know how to buy eggs, Diane. I've done it before. I could not stop saying this for the rest of the day. I was a real joy to be around. A pregnant woman at Walmart talking to a cashier said, yeah, I'm getting a DUI after this one. No more kids. Of course she meant IUD, but the lady didn't correct her, and I cried laughing. Maybe it was pregnancy brain. Guy next to me at a urinal farted once and loudly says sometimes when it rains, it thunders. I stole it. 6. I was sitting on the patio at a bar one afternoon, just watching birds and enjoying a few drinks alone. Next to me was a group of older folks around retirement age, just hanging out. They were talking about all kinds of things. I drift in and out of listening to them. When I heard one man talking about his doctor, he said the doctor had passed away 2 years prior, and almost a depressed tone. The other men told him, don't be so sad, man. It's not like he was your wife or anything. And without skipping a beat, the man replied, I know I shouldn't be so upset, but man, he just gave really good prostate exams. The entire table started cracking up. I nearly spit my drink out from laughing so hard, and the man pointed at me and said, see, he gets it. 7. I was walking along 10th Street in Brooklyn when a man walked by on his phone, and all I caught of his conversation was, I don't know, I've never owned a effing giraffe before.